Hello, and welcome to a brief overview of the Remonline Work Orders mobile application for employees available on iOS and Android. Remonline Work Orders is a free mobile application for Remonline users who offer field and delivery services or are used to move around while working. It also has an adaptive version for tablets. The Work Orders app allows your employees to process and complete tasks and work orders, change statuses, add services and products, accept payments, add photos and comments, print documents, and more. Now let's look at the features of the Work Orders app and how they can benefit your business. How to install the Work Orders app. Find the app in App Store or Google Play and download it on your phone. How to sign in to the Work Orders app. Enter the login and password of your Remonline account and click Sign In. Alternatively, scan a QR code from the employee's profile if you have access rights to the employee's settings. You can enable Touch ID or Face ID for further quick authorization when logging in. Features of the Work Orders mobile application. All data in the mobile application is automatically synchronized with the web version of Remonline. Therefore, if you create, add, change, or delete something in the app, it is displayed in the web version. And vice versa, everything created in the web version is displayed in the app. The first section is Tasks. This section displays all tasks. In the upper right corner is a button to create a new task. Everything works the same way as in the web version. You can set a deadline and assign a task to one or more employees. If you have several assignees, you can choose whether it will be one task for all or individual tasks for each. In the upper left corner, you can use a filter by task assignee or author. Next to it, there is a button to search for tasks. The search runs with at least 3 characters. You can search by a task name, description, and employee name. You can open a task to view or edit its details. There is also an event feed in Tasks where you can create a new related task or add a file, image, photo, or comment. To complete a task, check the appropriate box. You can also delete a task if necessary. The next section is Work Orders. All work orders are displayed here in the form of cards. In the upper left corner, as in Tasks, there is a button for filtering and sorting work orders and a search button. You can search for work orders by QR code. Click on the corresponding icon and scan a QR code of a work order. You can print a list of work orders with their QR codes or scan it from the web version if necessary. In the middle, you can change a location if you have several. On the right is a button to create a new work order. First, you need to choose a work order type. Then fill in all the necessary information about the work order. You can choose existing clients and their assets or create new ones in the mobile app. To do this, click Add Client and find a client from the database, or click the plus button in the right corner to create a new client. Similarly, with assets, you can find an existing one or create a new one. If necessary, you can specify a prepayment for the work order in the mobile application. Finally, click Save after filling in all the information. Ready! You've successfully created a new work order, which is now displayed in the list. Next, let's look at how you can process work orders in the app. Click on a work order to open it. Here you can edit or update work order details. Call or send an SMS, Viber, or WhatsApp message directly from the application to a client. To update a work order status, click on the status field and select a new status. Suppose in the web version, you have set up automatic transfer of assets by status or mandatory creation of a comment or payment when updating to a certain status. In that case, everything will work the same in the application. Below, you can add services and products from a warehouse. To add a service, click a plus service button and search for the one you need in the list by name or by scanning a barcode. Also, you can write the name of the labor and click the Add as Service button to create a new one. To add a product, click a plus product button, select a warehouse, and search for the product, as in the web version, by name, code, SKU, serial number, or by scanning a barcode. Also, you can write the name of the product and click the Add as Product button to create a new one. Specify the quantity or select the required serial numbers for serialized products. You can edit the price for products and services, provide a discount, or set a warranty if you have enough access rights to perform these operations. At the top, you can switch to the event feed, create a task related to this work order, and add a file, image, photo, and comment. Click on the 3 dots in the upper right corner to view a client's address on the map or call a manager. You can also print a document or send it as a PDF file to a client by email or messenger. Employees can copy a work order link and send it to colleagues if necessary. Below, you can make prepayments and payments for work orders to a cash box. When a work order is ready, you can close it. To do this, like in the web version, update the work order status to closed and record a payment. If necessary, you can record a payment due to balance. If not, select a cash box and click the Create Payment button. If you accidentally selected the wrong cash box, you can swipe to the left, remove the wrong cash box, and add the right one instead. And you're done. You've processed and closed a work entirely on the mobile application. The next section is Payments. Here you can see a list of all the cash boxes you can access. At the top, you can change the location or order of the cash boxes in the list. By clicking on a cash box, you can view the payment history. In the upper right corner, you can select a period. You can also create a payment here. To do this, click the plus button in the upper right corner and select an operation, income, expense, or transfer. Specify an amount, a cash flow item, and a comment, and create a payment. If it is a transfer, you need to specify the cash box to which the funds are transferred. Click on the payment to view or delete the details, of course if you have the required access rights. And the last section is Settings. In the Security section, you can enable or disable Touch ID or Face ID to log into the application. In the Settings section, you can customize a work order profile, specifying what work order details should be displayed in the profile. You can also configure the QR scanner. If you select one code, this work order will immediately open by scanning and detecting it in the application. And if you select multiple codes, you must confirm the action to open a work order after scanning. Below, you can select an application language. In the Support section, you can open the Help Center, contact support, or report an error. Below, you can rate the app and view the privacy policy. And also below, you'll find a button to log out of your account. All the features described above are available in a convenient adapted version for tablets, where you can simultaneously view the list of work orders or tasks and see the details of a specific one. 2-factor authentication to log in to Line. After installing the application, you can enable 2-factor authentication when logging into your Line account via the web version. To enable it, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Install the work order's mobile application. Step 2. Ensure the application is allowed to send notifications. You can check this access in the settings of your smartphone. Step 3. In the web version, click on the avatar and navigate to the security page. Click the Activate button, select the Work Orders app, and click the Confirm button. Next, you will receive a push notification on your smartphone. Step 4. Click on the notification and confirm that the app has enabled 2-factor authentication. Done. When you try to log into your Line account in the web version, you need to confirm this action in the Work Orders mobile application. This will strengthen the security of data that only you have access to. What do you think of this app? Is there anything you miss in the features? Leave your feedback in the comments.